very first time you log into Edina Apps, you will, on a given computer, you will need to click on Sign into Edina Apps a second time because some of these apps are different entities of Google. After you've done that, you're going to come to a screen where you'll see on the left-hand side any sites that you've created up to this point, which in this case there haven't been any, and on the right-hand side you'll see a place to select Create a New Site. I should note here that if you are doing an individual project, all of you are going to be creating a site. But if you're doing a group project where you're going to be sharing one site with a group of people, one person from the group should create the site and then invite the others to the site once it's been created, and I'll show that in the next step. So now I've clicked on Create Site, and I'm going to leave it as a blank template for right now. I've typed in the name for the site, in this case Service Learning Example, and notice it automatically puts the site web address in here. It does need to be unique with any Edina apps. Next thing I'm going to do is click on Choose a Theme. I have several themes available, so I'm going to scroll down and find one that looks good to me. And I'm just going to pick this one here. And then I'm going to continue to scroll down because I need to add some options. So once I've scrolled down, I'm going to click on More Options because I'm going to eventually want this to be viewable by the world, but not until I'm ready. So under Site Categories, I'm going to put Service Learning. And then down here, I'm going to select only people I specify can view the site, but I am going to make it viewable. Anybody in the world will be able to view it. This is for initial aspects, but this last piece is going to make it more authentic once I'm ready. So I'll go ahead and create this site, and this next step could take a little bit of time, so you just have to be patient and let it work. Eventually you'll see a security warning. In this case, you can click on No, and it should take you to your website. So now here I have my website, and the next step is going to be to invite people. So I'm going to go up to More Actions, and I'm going to select Share this site. And this will allow me to add collaborators to the site. A dialog box is going to come up, and I can start adding people's names, students or teachers who are part of Edina apps. So in this case, I'm going to add Mr. Sigmund, and his name should pop up. Once a name appears, you can go ahead and select them. So now you see that Mr. Sigmund is here and he can edit. I'm going to add one more name, my own. You can start by typing in the last name of the person and adding them in when their name pops up. Once you have added all the names, you can send them an email notification and include a personal message, or you can uncheck this box and click Share, realizing that they won't get an email telling them, but when they go into their sites, they will see that site as one of their own. So I'll go ahead and share this. And now all the people that you've shared with will also have editing rights to update your site. And you have to go ahead and click OK. And then you can close the dialog box, and you're now ready to start editing your website.